Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Drive for file sharing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Google Drive for file sharing, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. If you already have a Google account, click on Go to Google Drive. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, look for a button that says Download at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on that button. You will be redirected to the Google Drive download page. Select the correct version for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Click the Download button to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Drive application. You may be prompted to sign in again. Use the same Google account you created or used earlier. Now, Google Drive will create a folder on your computer. This folder will automatically sync with your Google Drive Online. You can start dragging and dropping files into this folder to share them. To share a file, right-click on the file and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. Choose the level of access you want to grant them, viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share the file. You've now successfully installed Google Drive and shared your first file. Enjoy the convenience of cloud storage and file sharing with Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.